एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सबका सीरियस टेरोइका पर। मैं हूं अर्षा और आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूं मैसेजेस फॉर योर ओवरऑल जनवरी 2026, जिसमें हम देखेंगे लव, करियर एंड एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस फॉर यू। मेक श्योर कि आप अपनी रीडिंग एंड तक देखें एंड लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। Hi everyone, so this is your pile selection part. This is pile number 1 with the clear quartz tower. This is pile number 2 with the green aventurine. This is pile number 3 with the amethyst, और ये है pile number 4 with the golden strawberry quartz tower. You could choose any pile or crystal according to you, और आप अपने pile पे जाकर skip कर सकते हैं वीडियो को, because I have linked the timestamps in the description box and you could find it there. So let's head into your reading. Bye bye. Hi pile number 1, this is your reading और ये है आपका crystal clear quotes. तो ये रहेंगे आपके एनर्जी कार्ड्स जो आपकी एनर्जी दर्शाएंगे. अगर आप इनसे रेजोनेट करते हैं देन दिस रीडिंग इज फॉर यू, एंड इफ यू डू नॉट रेजोनेट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू स्विच बैक टू द पाइल सिलेक्शन पार्ट और वहाँ पे आप कोई और पाइल चूज कर सकते हैं. ये रहेंगे आपके लव कार्ड्स और हम आपके करियर के बारे में भी जानेंगे बिकॉज दिस इज जनवरी 2026 रीडिंग. वी विल कवर योर करियर, वी विल कवर योर लव एंड ओवरऑल मैसेजेस. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. पहले हम चेक करते हैं कि मेन कार्ड क्या है एंड वी विल कीप दीज ओवर हेयर. सो मेन कार्ड, मेन एनर्जी फॉर द जनवरी 2026. क्या पता क्या हो जाता है मेरी pronunciation को, but anyways, so before I get into this, let me tell you. Now obviously we are getting into this, मैं क्या ही बोल रही हूँ. anyways, so with the magician, ये आपका मेन कार्ड रहेगा. ठीक है, with the magician it says that you know you will be like, oh my god, why did I pause? Anyways, sometimes ना ऐसे brain fog ही हो जाता है. anyways, so magician is the card which represents कि he has all the tools, like उसके टेबल पे coins हैं, cups हैं, swords है, उसके हाथ में wands है. So apparently magician is the card where you could manifest anything you want, whatever you think, like whatever you want, वो सब आपको जनवरी में मिलेगा. Now it also just suggests that you have all the tools and you could work upon them. You can use these tools. आपके पास काफ़ी resources हैं, आप use कर सकते हो to create your own reality, right? इसका एक ये भी message आता है हमें. Now let's get into the situation cards. और ये आपकी energy दर्शाएंगे. Page of Cups, the Fool and the Artist. Okay. I hope you are able to see these cards perfectly. Hopefully lamp की glare ना पड़ रही हो. With the Page of Cups, you are a sort of that type of person जो बहुत imaginative है, very creative. Like whatever you imagine is so artistic. Like with the artist, like you can imagine a lot of great stuff just like an artist, but sometimes you're not able to put it into work. Now with the Fool in reverse, अगर हम इसका meaning, इसका एक्चुअल मीनिंग अगर हम टैरो में देखेंगे तो इट इज प्रिटी लाइक यू आर बीइंग नाइव और दिस और दैट. एक्सक्यूज मी बट आई डू नॉट टेक इट दिस वे. मैं आई डोंट नो, द मोमेंट आई शफल दीज कार्ड्स, द फूल इन रिवर्स, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि दिस इज कंप्लीटली ऑपोजिट. like you are a very serious type of person in terms of like taking decisions and emotionally especially, like you're a very serious person. मुझे ऐसा vibe आ रहा है. okay, now because this is a general reading, बहुत लोग देखने वाले हैं इस reading को, so even if this does not resonate to you, this particular card, अगर इन तीनों में से कोई card भी आपके लिए resonate करता है, then also this reading could be for you. okay, now yes, so this is the energy and you, बस mainly मुझे artistic और imaginative like मतलब energy बहुत आ रही है. and also with the Page of Cups, you are the type of person who brings life back in conversations. like आप जहाँ भी बैठे होगे वहाँ पे हंसी मजाक तो खुल के ही होना है ना. तो you are that type of person. okay, Now we will get into your cards for the career. Okay, now I have selected these cards. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, so with the Page of Swords. Okay, now with the Page of Swords, it feels like in terms of your career, if you are a working person or you are a student or whatever your career is, for now you are not, satisfied with the current situation. And actually उसका मैसेज इस व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून में ना, विद द व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून इट टेल्स यू कि आपके करियर वाइज और बेसिकली मतलब काफ़ी उतार चढ़ाव बहुत आएंगे, बट नो फॉर अ फैक्ट दैट योर सक्सेस इज लिंक्ड टू योर डेस्टिनी और फेट वट एवर वी कॉल इट और योर लक. बट मैं यहाँ पे लक नहीं लाने वाली हूँ, ठीक है. वट आई एम गोना ब्रिंग इज, वी आर गोना ब्रिंग थिंग्स बैक टू रियलिटी, वट वी कुड डू टू बी सेटिस्फाइड. ओके, नाउ विद द पेज ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स इन रिवर्स, ये आपको सजेस्ट करता है कि जो भी आपके कलीग्स हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, ट्राई टू मेकअप टू देम, बट नॉट लाइक मेकअप टू देम कि आप अपने आप को ही भूल जाओ, बट इन अ वे फाइंड पीपल हु आर वर्दी ऑफ योर टाइम, हु आर गोइंग टू प्रॉमिस यू ग्रोथ विद देम. ठीक है, बंदा क्या ढूंढता है लाइफ में? ग्रोथ ढूंढता है, गाइडेंस ढूंढता है. फाइंड दोज टाइप ऑफ पीपल एंड मेक श्योर यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग करेक्टिवली. ओके, मतलब मेक श्योर कि आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आप आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं, राइट, सो दैट कल को वट एवर पर्सन इट इज, दे जस्ट प्रॉमिस यू ग्रोथ. बेसिकली आपको ये नहीं कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी कि हाँ ये अगला बंदा अच्छा है कि नहीं है, जो ऐसा भी होगा वो पर्सनली जैसा मर्जी हो. बट इफ दे आर हेल्पिंग यू, if they're helping you with your work or not your work but like your growth, things that are needed आपके काम में, पढ़ाई में, whatever it is, so just focus on the good part. लीव देम लाइक वट एवर, इमोशनली वो कैसे भी हो, तो बुरे हो जैसे मर्जी हो, you just need to focus on communicating with them properly and getting your work done, or getting, not like getting your work done but basically focusing on the good parts only. ठीक है, so yeah, this is your message. Okay, and I do not believe in luck and fortune as much, but yeah, you could, it kind of feels like with the wheel of fortune you are building your own success. It is in your own hands. Okay, so build it. That is what I think. Okay, that is what reality is according to me. Now let's get into the love cards for your reading. Okay, oh that's so sad. Eight of, oh my god, ये इतने हिल क्यों रहे हैं? I hope you're able to see the cards, these cards. Um, yeah. मैं थोड़ा ऊपर कर देती हूँ इनको. Okay. Now with the Ten of Cups in reverse. So even if you are in a relationship, या फिर, because this is a general reading, right? So I'll be attracting a lot of people here. Now, even if you are in a relationship, situationship, whatever ship, okay, या फिर could be even endings. Okay, now let's talk about this. With the Ten of Cups and Eight of Swords in reverse, sorry, Eight of Swords upright head, Ten of Cups in reverse, it clearly suggests that someone in this situationship, basically whatever type of relationship this is, separation hai, relationship hai, marriage hai, just starting ka hai, somebody is not emotionally, fulfilled. Okay, now the fact is, I don't know if that's you or them, but the thing is कि someone in this relationship is being trapped, और it feels like कि इस relationship में जो भी emotionally fulfilled नहीं है, they are kind of could be influenced by social media के standards, because apparently we see a lot of things on the internet, right? And we see so many things कि हम compare करना एक point पे शुरू कर देते हैं. Me being a tarot reader, me being a, I've just started my content creation, and I get into that point. So it's normal, it's okay, but you need to bring yourself back. You cannot keep yourself trapped here. ये आपके limiting beliefs है. yes, you could make them, but you cannot put that to the other person. Okay, now it could be someone, I mean it could be your other half also, maybe वो भी ऐसा सोच सकते हैं, maybe आप ऐसा सोच रहे होंगे. Okay, now with the king of wands, know for a fact that someone in this relationship, either your partner or you, this person is trying their 100% best. They find you sexy, they find you attractive, and they're trying their 100% best to prove it to you that they love you a lot and they are ready to do anything to prove themselves to you. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, so yeah, apne limiting beliefs, if this is you, if you know you are not feeling emotionally fulfilled, stop consuming a lot of social media, or stop putting these limiting beliefs, because this person is someone else. Okay, you can't do that. People on the internet are very pretentious. Let me tell you this one thing. Okay, log na matlab, they are, you never know, but honestly speaking, you never know if they're real or fake. They do a lot of kind of stuff now. Eventually, influencer banna is now a market. You could fake your relationship, you could fake your identity, you can fake anything, and you can become an influencer and influence people. So you do not have to be influenced, or your partner does not have to be influenced by this. Okay, so yeah, this is for the love messages. Okay, now let's get into the extra messages that I'll be shuffling for you. Okay, I'll be shuffling extra messages for you from the Oracle of Fairies कि जनवरी में आपके लिए क्या एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस हैं. ओके, सॉलिट्यूड. Now because ये दोनों के ऊपर गिरा, it feels like कि you should spend some alone time, like not like पूरा time like 10-15 दिन, but what it means is कि she's outside in nature. मेक श्योर कि आप एक बार अकेले वॉक पर जाओ, या कहीं भी नेचर जहाँ पे ज़्यादा हो वहाँ जाओ, बैठो, सोचो, थिंक अबाउट दिस कि यू नो what is happening, what should I do, why am I this way, or why am I feeling this way. Okay, now this could be for you or your partner also, but ठीक है. Another card. Mhm. Moon energy. Surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life. If you are feeling confused, this fairy comes to calm emotions and reassure you that peace of mind is possible. Okay? Now, this is for you or your partner. Could be in terms of love also, but agar hum, if we focus on you individually, this is obviously for you too. I'll take this one. Okay. Protection. Oh, that is great. The fairies of protection are shielding you while a magical fairy ring of love and light. Practice psychic protection before embarking upon any spiritual work. Now, this basically means कि you are being protected right now, and whatever spiritual work अगर आप ऐसा कुछ करते हो, then you could focus on that. But I feel like कि also keeping the fairies and stuff like that aside and focusing on the reality, protection एक ये भी चीज़ कहता है कि you could also you know just feel that you are protected, and the fact that ये king of wands के ऊपर, maybe it could be your partner or you protecting this relationship. Okay, it could be that way. And also that you have a lot of great friends to guide you either in your career or in your love life. Okay, overall. So yeah. Okay, now we will shuffle extra cards because we are not going to let this reading end so soon. Excuse me. Okay, now this is from the Super Tractor Tarot Oracle deck. Let's shuffle few cards for you. Okay. Feeling good will bring me far more than whatever I thought I needed. Exactly. See, feel good in whatever you have. Whatever you are giving, feel, agar, even if you are trying your 100% best, agar ye King of Wands aap ho, you are trying your 100% best to prove it to your partner, stop doing that. I think you're doing enough. And if your person is doing that to you, if they are proving their 100% to you, just know for a fact that whatever you have right now, it is 100% correct and feel good about it actually. Okay, like feel gratitude towards it, like it is enough. Feel that way. Okay, because apparently जब आप किसी भी you know किसी भी चीज में if you bring this energy that oh I want more, this ये नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं करता, वैसा नहीं करता, फलाना नहीं, ये नहीं, वो नहीं, then you create a space of having nothing at all. तो बंदा जो होगा भी मतलब आप उस पर भी फोकस नहीं कर पाओगे. ओके, सो focus on feeling good and feeling fulfilled. Make this 10 of cups. Okay, make this 10 of cups upright. When I cultivate a spiritual connection, I can trust the universe no matter what. Now, this was for you. You could take it as it is. And yes, this was your reading. Hopefully, you resonated with it. और अगर आपको ये रीडिंग अच्छी लगी हो, you could please put a like or subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in your next reading. Bye bye. Hi pile number 2, this is your reading और ये है आपका क्रिस्टल ग्रीन एवेंचुरिन. इसको हम साइड में रख देते हैं. एंड एज यूजुअल, लेकिन नॉट एज यूजुअल, हम यूजुअली सिचुएशन कार्ड्स निकालते हैं, लेकिन आज हमने निकाले हैं एनर्जी कार्ड्स. दीज विल रिप्रेजेंट योर एनर्जी. अगर आप इनसे रेजोनेट करते हैं देन दिस रीडिंग इज़ फॉर यू, और अगर आप इनसे रेजोनेट नहीं करते हैं देन आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू स्विच बैक टू द पाइल सिलेक्शन पार्ट, जहाँ पे आप कोई और पाइल अपने लिए चूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट इनटू योर रीडिंग. फर्स्टली we will see your main card. What does your main card say? Eight of coins. Now with the eight of coins, it feels like in January you're going to mainly focus on putting hard work, dedication to whatever you are doing. It mainly talks about your career, but it also feels like कि overall आप जो भी करना चाहते हैं, जो भी पाना चाहते हैं लाइफ में, you will be working hard for it this January. Okay, तो ऐसा लग रहा है. And ऑल्सो ये एक एक्स्ट्रा मैसेज भी देता है कि वट एवर यू आर डूइंग इट इज़ इवेंचुअली लीडिंग यू टूवर्ड्स योर ग्रोथ. ओके, तो कीप ऑन वर्किंग हार्ड एंड डोंट बैक ऑफ. नाउ अब हम देखेंगे आपके एनर्जी कार्ड्स, जिससे आप पता लगा सकते हैं कि ये पाइल आपके लिए है या नहीं. ओके ओके, कीप दिस हियर. ओके, हायरोफेंट and okay. Okay, so with the Seven of Wands, it feels like you are the type of person जो मतलब you know, हाँ, who are like you will oppose like something, like it's like कि जो भी आपके belief system, not even belief system, but the fact it feels like कि anything that goes wrong, you are the only person who will stand against it. लाइक आप में इतना जिगरा है कि आप उसके लिए बोलोगे, आप अपनी आवाज उठाओगे. यू आर दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन विद द सेवन ऑफ wands. बेसिकली यू आर वेरी करेजियस. ओके, नाउ विद द हायरोफेंट इट ऑल्सो फील्स लाइक कि यू आर अ वेरी ट्रेडिशनल पर्सन. आप एक तरह से ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो मतलब सी इफ समबडी हैज़ एन इशू, आप कोशिश करोगे कि आपको जो ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यूज़ हैं, जो ट्रेडिशनल सॉल्यूशंस हैं प्रॉब्लम्स को, यू आर दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन जो ट्रेडिशनली बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड है अपने मज़हब से, अपने रिलीजन से. तो इट्स द वे कि यू आर ऑल्सो सीन ऑन अ वेरी हाई पेडेस्टल. बेसिकली लोगों को अगर कोई ट्रेडिशन वगैरह से रिलेटेड कुछ बात पूछनी होती है तो वो आपके पास आता है, बिकॉज यू आर मोर knowledgeable about the traditions that you have been following from a long time. Okay, now with the Two of Cups, you're the type of person who majorly and emotionally connects yourself to relationships. आपको आप ऐसे हो ना, मतलब आप सबको जोड़ के रखते हो. आप सबको, like there was this person in my life, they are no more, but they were the type of person who, like this whole big family, like I hope you understand what Indian joint families are like, and they were such a nice person. They used to hold everyone together. वो कभी मतलब they never ever, like got defeated at the fact कि people like used to fight, but फिर भी वो कहीं ना कहीं कैसे ना कैसे लोगों को हमेशा जोड़ के रखते थे. Sadly they are no more in my life right now, but she was a wonderful person. Anyways, now with the two of cups, you are that type of person जो सबको जोड़ के रखता है. Okay, if you're not there, I think conflicts would arise between, the people you know, I think. Okay. If this is your energy, this file is for you. If not, go back and select another file. अभी हम जाएंगे आपके लव कार्ड्स में, जो कि मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया नहीं, बट दीज विल बी रिलेटेड टू योर लव एंड विल ऑल्सो सी कार्ड्स जो मैंने आपके करियर के लिए शफल करे हैं. अपेरेंटली मैं दो शफल करे थी, बट आपके लिए मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आई नीड एन एक्स्ट्रा कार्ड, सो मैंने तीन शफल करे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी. ओके, so it is strength, chariot, and five of cups. Now with the strength, chariot, and the five of cups, ना five of cups से डर मत जाना. अगर आप मतलब if you're familiar to tarot, don't get scared. Now with the strength card, it tells you to, that be get serious about this relationship. It feels like it's a very new relationship, but because I'm attracting a lot of readers, what should I say, oh my god, I will be attracting a lot of people, right? क्योंकि ये general reading है, तो this could be any sort of relationship, but this card says that get serious about your relationship. चाहे वो marriage है, चाहे वो dating है, चाहे वो situationship है, whatever, just get serious. Okay, now with the chariot, it says that, it feels like कि it can go both ways. Maybe आपकी एनर्जी हो सकती है या उनकी एनर्जी हो सकती है, but you are very determined to win this person, or that person is very determined to win you over. ऐसा है. This could go two ways. Okay, अगर आप अपने साइड से रेजोनेट करते हैं, well and good. अगर दूसरे की साइड से रेजोनेट करते हैं, then also well and good. Okay, so this is someone in this relationship who wants to win the other person. Okay, लेकिन with the five of cups, sometimes उतार चढ़ाव आ जाते हैं. Just know for a fact कि don't let this five of cups scare you away and you're like कि मैं तो कर ही नहीं रहा, मैं तो नहीं कर रहा, अब ये तो इसको तो मतलब तो ब्रेकअप होता है. Not that way. Okay, a lot of tarot readers say that, but इस कार्ड का जो मीनिंग है, मैं उसके एक वर्ड पे एम्फेसाइज करूंगी, और वो है चेंज. नाउ सी, these cups are मतलब गिर गए हैं. ओके, बट those two cups are standing, right? Focus on them, focus on what you have instead of focusing on what is gone. Okay, and it clearly says that be prepared for change. Okay, now उतार चढ़ाव होते हैं, it is very important for you to move forward with it. Okay, so ये कार्ड आपके लिए ये दर्शाता है in terms of a relationship, even if it's new or whatever sort of relationship. Okay, now let's move into the career for your January 2026. And okay, six of cups, I guess I'll keep this here. The strength card again. Strength card बहुत आ रहा है. It's like कि with the this pentacles card, um it feels like कि जैसे it is mostly based on your career, but like, so anyways, firstly we'll talk about six of cups. Now six of cups tells you कि अगर आपके मन में कोई ऐसी चीज़ है बचपन से जो आप करना चाहते हैं, you want to start, like you want to, स्टार्टअप आपको चालू करना है, या फिर आपको कुछ भी, वट एवर यू वॉन्टेड टू डू वेन यू वर अ चाइल्ड. ओके, जब आप एक छोटे बच्चे थे, आपको तब से जो करना था, या फिर बेसिकली आपके हार्ट के साथ जो भी चीज़ अलाइंड है, दिस कार्ड टेल्स यू to focus on that career path and take that career path for once. Okay, and with the strength card, it tells you कि आप में ना बहुत leadership skills हैं. I don't know, but it kind of leans on towards, a startup. So it could be possible कि आपके लिए startup बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. And with the magician says that whatever you do, whatever work you're putting in, just know for a fact that whatever you do will bring you towards the success. Okay, whatever you want, whatever it is. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, but you also have leadership qualities, so also focus on that, because ये एकदम बीच में गिरा है, तो I think it might help you, in terms of your career. It could be that way. Anyways, let's get into the extra messages, and we will shuffle a three oracle cards for your reading from the Oracle of Fairies. क्या एक्स्ट्रा मैसेज है? एक तो पता नहीं हिल क्यों जाता है. Okay, music. Listen carefully, for there may be a message in the music you hear. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories, and charm fairies to your door. So, see, it could be a thing that you are into music or something and you want to start something related to music. It could be very much possible. But anyways, music also feels like कि आप ऐसे गाने सुने जहाँ पे आप अपने आप से कनेक्ट करें, so that you know what you could do. कि आप अपने दैट सिक्स ऑफ कप्स वाला कार्ड उससे आप कनेक्ट कर पाए, राइट? सो इट फील्स दैट वे. लेट्स शफल अनदर कार्ड. ओके. Protect your dreams. Okay, if you are thinking about a startup or something, don't just go ahead and tell it to everyone. You can tell it to one or two people who are close to you, but सबको जाके नहीं बता देना है. It also creates the fact that you know it's not about nazar or anything. I don't know if you believe in nazar or not, but अभी के लिए प्रोटेक्टेड until you put an action towards it. Okay, जब तक आप मतलब एक घोषणा नहीं कर देते ना सबको, जब तक एक्चुअल में इन प्रैक्टिस में पता नहीं चल जाता ना कि आप स्टार्टअप का सोच रहे हो या कुछ सोच भी नहीं रहे हो, लाइक आपने स्टार्टअप शुरू कर दिया है या ऐसा कुछ आपने जो आप सोच रहे हो आपने वो शुरू कर दिया है, तब तक डू नॉट टेल इट टू एनीवन, कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ. ओके, इट फील्स लाइक दैट. You are the guardian of your precious dreams and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you are ready to release them. Okay, so yeah, this is the message. One more card from the Oracle of Fairies. Okay. Purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it, you will find the answer to your question. So, this could be an extra message. This could be a very personal message to you. चाहे मैं इसको इंटरप्रेट ना करूं, बट अगर आपके मन में कोई ऐसा ख्यालात है तो इट कुड बी अ थिंग दैट उसका आंसर आप ही के पास हो, बट आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, है ना? सो इट कुड बी दैट वे. लेट्स शफल more cards for you from the Super Attractor Oracle deck. When I cultivate a spiritual connection, I can trust the universe no matter what. So, yeah, as you are a very traditional person, it is recommended you to, just be more spiritual and keep, like stay connected to your spiritual self. Manifesting is the creative process of aligning with the energy of the universe to co create an experience that elevates my spirit and the spirit of world. So, manifesting एक ऐसा process है जो मेरी एनर्जी के साथ अलाइन करता है यूनिवर्स के, ताकि मैं एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट करूं जो मेरे स्पिरिट को, मेरे सोल को एलिवेट करे और बाकी स्पिरिट्स को भी फायदा मिले उस चीज़ से. ठीक है, तो या यू कुड ऑल्सो मैनिफेस्ट. इट फील्स लाइक बिकॉज इट फॉल्स लाइक हेयर, ये कार्ड एकदम बीच में आया, सो इट कुड बी दैट वे कि आप जो चाहते हो आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग manifestation start कर सकते हो. Manifestation is not a tough process. If you believe in manifestation, I would recommend you doing that. Let's shuffle one more card. Oh my god. Anyways, one more card. Okay, nahi. My greatest spiritual shifts don't come through force, they come through freedom. So, now for a fact, if you are trapped in a job or something, this is a clear message to you कि अपनी freedom से काम कीजिए, because that will be a very great spiritual shift for your life. Okay, so yeah, this could be a message for you. So yes, this was your reading. Hopefully आप resonate करे होंगे. अगर आपको ये reading अच्छी लगी हो, please put a like और subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in your next reading. Bye bye. हाय पालमती, ये है आपकी रीडिंग और ये है आपका स्टोन एमेथीस्ट टावर, एमेथीस्ट क्रिस्टल. इसको हम साइड में रख देंगे फॉर नाउ. एंड हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एनर्जी कार्ड्स. एनर्जी कार्ड्स विल represent your energy. अगर आप इनसे रेजोनेट करते हैं then this pile is for you, and if you do not resonate with this, I would suggest you to go back to the pile selection part and choose another pile for yourself. Okay? और ये रहेंगे आपके लव कार्ड्स, एंड हम आपके करियर में भी डाइव करेंगे for the month of January 2026, and let's get into it. So firstly, we'll see main card आपका क्या बोलता है. What is the main energy? Okay, five of cups in reverse. That is absolutely amazing. Five of cups के साथ आप अपने पुराने wounds, past, whatever has been in your life, whatever has been, gone wrong in your life, you are going to leave that behind. लेकिन do not forget the fact कि even if you have moved on from a bad stuff or anything or sort of an ending, know for a fact कि there are wounds जो थोड़े गहरे हैं और उन पे थोड़ा मरहम लगाते रहना पड़ेगा आपको. ओके, सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट दैट कि उस पर अटेंशन दो जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि यू स्टिल यू नो want to improve yourself, want that you could move on from that wound or heal it some way. उस पे अटेंशन देना है with the five of cups in reverse. But eventually almost 99% आपने move on कर लिया है from whatever that has been ended, or I don't know why ended आ रहा है बाबा, but whatever has been मतलब हो गया, पास्ट में हो गया वो, ठीक है, तो आप उससे बाहर आ गए वो. लेट्स गेट इनटू योर सिचुएशन. ओ नहीं, एनर्जी कार्ड्स. यूजुअली मैं सिचुएशन कार्ड्स निकालती हूँ तो मुझे सिचुएशन ही याद आया. ओके. हाँ. सो नाइन ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स, यू आर फीलिंग वेरी एंक्शियस. आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं, इस वजह से आपको काफ़ी सारी एनजाइटी है. लेकिन द टाइप ऑफ पर्सन यू आर इज दैट विद द एट ऑफ पेंटिकल्स आप बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब ना हार्ड वर्किंग हो, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग हो. यू पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क. यू हैव लाइक लीडरशिप स्किल्स विद द किंग ऑफ वॉन्स. एंड लाइक मतलब आप ना जो भी काम करते हो उसमें पैशन भी डालते हो बट डेडिकेशन भी डालते हो. और मतलब इंटेलेक्चुअली विद इंटेलिजेंस आप वो स्टेप उठाते हो. सो यू हैव वेरी लीडर लाइक traits as a person. If this resonated with you, ये आपकी रीडिंग है. नहीं तो go back and choose another pile. अब we will dive into your love life. Ace of Wands, Four of Cups. Okay. Now with the Ace of Wands, okay, if you are, I don't know, मुझे न्यू फीलिंग आ रही because it's Ace. अगर आप if you like this person and you want to give it a shot, give it a shot. लेकिन with the Four of Cups, remember that you have to like with the Five of Cups में भी यही बोल रहा था वो कि you have to um, make sure that you're going to be serious here. You're going to be एक एक चीज परफेक्ट बना देनी है अपने बारे में. ओके, एंड मतलब सी, एंड ऑल्सो विद द फोर ऑफ कप्स डोंट कीप सिटिंग. एस ऑफ वॉन्ड्स के साथ आगे बढ़ो, एक्शन करो, तभी यू विल बी एबल टू बी विद दिस पर्सन. ओके, बिकॉज अपेरेंटली ऐसा कार्ड मीनिंग सेज दैट she also has a lot of feelings for you. And with the Knight of Pentacles, the person that you're feeling for, they are rapidly feeling for you. Like उनके अंदर फीलिंग्स जाग रही हैं. सो डोंट वेट. ओके, हाँ, वरना मौका निकल जाएगा, वो ट्रे लेके चले जाएंगे, ड्रिंक भी नहीं मिलेगी. ओके, सो नाउ, okay, now we will get into your career. Ace of Cups, Seven of Cups, and the World. नाउ विद द एस ऑफ कप्स आपके करियर वाइज में काफ़ी सारी नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज आने वाली है. बट बिकॉज इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग एन एलिमेंट कॉल्ड कप्स हेयर, इट क्लियरली सेज दैट जिस भी चीज़ से आप अलाइन कर रहे हो उस चीज़ में आप फोकस करो. एंड विद द सेवन ऑफ कप्स you might not be having a lot of options right now, or maybe या फिर maybe it is a sign towards you कि जो भी आप करो keep focusing on that. okay, क्योंकि लव के लिए भी सेम ऐसा ही मैसेज आया है. एंड विद द वर्ल्ड you know like whatever dedication you're putting into your work, it is going to take you, lead you towards success. and with the world, you know, also focus on emotional aspects of the career. Like if you want to, like world is like caution देता है अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ स्टार्ट करना है, like, और या फिर स्टार्ट भी नहीं करना है, but basically if you want to do something which aligns with your heart, it also tells you to do that. Okay, so yeah, this is your career reading. Let's get into your extra messages now, जो आपके January 2026 के लिए रहेंगे. And we will shuffle 3 cards from the Oracle of Fairies first, okay? So let's shuffle. I'll take this one. Wish wisely. Use your wishes wisely to manifest your heart's desire and take practical steps towards making your dreams come true, okay? So yeah, this card is as it says, wish wisely. Next card for you. I'll take this. I'll take this. Oh, it's so blue, blue. Hope. Hope is always there, even if we can't see it. Optimistic expectations can help change a negative situation into a positive one, okay? I'm sorry, I just burped. I don't know if you heard it or not, but anyways. Uh, okay. So hope, yeah, right? जब भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि देर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ होप इन योर माइंड, योर हार्ट. सो उसको लूज नहीं करना है, ओके? एंड विद दैट होप यू विल बी एबल टू ओवरकम वट एवर darkness you are going through right now. Let's shuffle another card. I'll take this one, which is transformation. Yeah, also, the world urges you. मेरे को transformation से याद आया, वरना I could have missed this message. The world also says that कि be prepared if you want to, bring a change in your career. You can do that, okay? Also with the transformation, और बिल्कुल उसके साथ ही वो गिरा है. So this fairy tells you to surrender to a transformation in your life that is happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation. The best is yet to come. In terms of career bhi and in terms of love bhi, okay? Let's head on to extra messages from the Super Attractor Tarot. Super Attractor Oracle deck. Yeah. Let's shuffle your cards. Oh my god. सारे एक साथ ही आ गए क्या? Anyways, I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Why is it so in a bad condition? Anyways, we'll shuffle one more time because अब apparently इकट्ठे ही आ गया है तो एकदम छोड़ के गया. Okay. The universe is always conspiring to support me, guide me, and lead me compassionately toward the highest good. So just imagine whatever is happening. Yes, you can come out of it, but know for a fact कि जो भी होगा, जैसे भी होगा, it is meant for your highest good. Now, whenever I am grateful for what I have, I can feel good along the way to what I desire. Okay, so be grateful. Be grateful for what you have. Okay, and next is when I introduce joy to a situation, I change the vibrational frequency of what's happening around me. Bring out joy. You have eyes. Come on, you have eyes. You could see this beautiful world, nature, beaches, mountains, sunsets, sunrises, everything. Be grateful for that. Once you put having eyes into this box of gratitude, you feel so good. You feel so thankful that you have eyes. Just imagine people who are blind, they cannot see anything, okay? And that is crazy, right? But obviously, just be grateful for small things and I will promise you कि आप बहुत अच्छा feel करेंगे, okay? So yeah, the conclusion of your reading is that January is going to be a month where you will have to take action for your career, for your love, and overall also focus on yourself. जो भी चीज़ें heal नहीं हुई हैं by chance, उनको भी heal करना है आपने, okay? So anyways, this was your reading. Hopefully you resonated. अगर आपको ये reading अच्छी लगी हो, please put a like or subscribe to my channel and I'll meet you in the next reading. Bye bye. हाय पायल नंबर 4, दिस इज योर रीडिंग और ये है आपका क्रिस्टल गोल्डन स्ट्रॉबेरी क्वार्ट्ज। अभी हम इसको साइड में रख देंगे एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द मेन कार्ड फॉर योर रीडिंग। पर उससे पहले दीज कार्ड विल बी योर एनर्जी कार्ड्स जो आपकी एनर्जी दर्शाएंगे। अगर आप इन कार्ड से रेजोनेट करते हैं देन दिस रीडिंग इज फॉर यू, एंड इफ यू डू नॉट रेजोनेट विद दीज कार्ड्स this reading is not for you. I would suggest you to switch back to the pile selection part and choose another pile for yourself. Okay, अगर ये cards resonate नहीं करते तो ओके। नाउ दीज विल बी योर लव कार्ड्स और हम पता करेंगे आपके करियर के बारे में भी, ठीक है। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू योर रीडिंग। अभी के लिए हम इसको साइड में रख देंगे एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट दिस मेन कार्ड सेज। Two of Cups. Now, with the Two of Cups, it mainly says ki, oh, love is in the air for the January 2026. It feels like that. But anyways, keeping love aside, it could be possible that you could be building a lot of relationships this month, and be it based on business, career, or love. Okay. So yeah, this is how your January is going to be. Okay, let's get into your energy cards. Okay, so with the Queen of Cups, you're someone who's very empathetic, who's very emotional, and you are the heart and the soul of the group. Okay, this is the type of person you are. Okay, if you resonate with these cards, this reading is for you, and if you do not, I would suggest you to go back to the pile selection part and choose another pile for yourself. Now, ye hai the magician. Now, with the magician, you are a very highly skilled person, and the thing is that you are going to be like a very highly skilled person, not going to be, you are a skilled person, but basically आपको जो भी लाइफ में चाहिए होता है वो आप ले लेते हो जैसे मर्जी। वेट अ सेकेंड, आई बी बैक। सो आई एम बैक हियर एंड एज आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द मैजिशियन, तो आप बहुत हाईली स्किल्ड पर्सन हैं। यू आर द टाइप ऑफ पर्सन who believes in bringing your vision into reality. Okay, you're this type of person. And with the Four of Cups in reverse, I don't know, it could be a situation card as well कि maybe आपकी situation अभी तक ऐसी थी कि आप बिल्कुल ही empathetic हो गए थे, but now you're back to business. And the fact is, इसका दूसरा मीनिंग ये भी हो सकता है कि you're the type of person who grabs opportunity. Okay, जैसे आएगी you will try your best to grab it, and because you care a lot about your growth. Okay, so this is the type of person you are, I guess. Okay, let's get into your love reading or your love cards for January 2026. Okay, are you guys gonna marry? Okay, anyways, now with the Magician and the Ten of Pentacles, this person is the one. Whoever, I because this is a general reading, मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को attract कर रही होंगी यहाँ पे, तो apparently the thing is कि with the Magician and the Ten of Pentacles, अगर ये न्यू रिलेशनशिप है या फिर यू आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप या फिर you could be even married, but whatever it is, this person is the one. And with the love reading, King of Swords आपकी love reading में ये कहता है कि focus on clear communication and respectful communication. इस चीज पे अपने रिलेशनशिप में बहुत फोकस करना आप, ठीक है। एंड दिस पर्सन इज फॉर यू। ओके, जो भी आप लोग का है वो झूठा मूठा नहीं है, दिस इज रियल रियल। ओके, this is a real thing. Okay, now with the King of Swords, focus on good communication, keep up the spirit of the relationship alive. Okay, and also keeping away like जो भी situations है, problems है, fights है, whatever, solve it with the King of Swords, as it says कि maintain good communication and respectfulness. Okay, let's head into your career cards now. I feel like it's a very quick energy in your reading. Okay, Ace of Swords, Knight of Wands, and Five of Pentacles in reverse. Now, with the Ace of Swords and Knight of Wands, take a bold action in your career. जो भी आप चाहते हो, take a bold action for that. And okay, दूसरी बात, take calculated risk, calculate and then move ahead. Okay. Now with the Knight of Wands and the Ace of Swords both. Now with the Five of Pentacles in reverse, it is that कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि maybe you were struggling in terms of your career, maybe so that सिचुएशन इज कमिंग टू एन एंड। ओके, नाउ दिस कार्ड, अगर हम इस कार्ड को सीधा रखें तो इट क्लियरली रिप्रेजेंट्स पॉवर्टी। ओके, बट दिस इज इन रिवर्स। सो बेसिकली जो भी बैड सिचुएशन थी आपके करियर में, इट इज रिवर्सिंग, ओके, यू आर गेटिंग बैक टू ट्रैक, ओके। ओके, या, सो लेट्स गेट इनटू योर एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस, एंड हम एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस में देखते हैं कि आपके लिए क्या मैसेजेस हैं फॉर दी जनवरी 2026। ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। I will shuffle three cards from the Oracle of Fairies for you. Okay, let's see. क्या है cards का कहना? Oh my god, that was aggressive. I think I'll take these two. Flourish. True tree wisdom. One more. Okay. Find balance. Now flourish say definitely take that step, flourish, learn from experience and shed your inner light on any unclear areas of your life. Tree wisdom say helps you navigate through your current situation. Her flute can reveal insights. Basically, tree wisdom is like कि whatever that is, that you have known, just connect to yourself and you'll know कि जो भी situation आपकी life में है उसके regarding आपको क्या steps लेने चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, okay, that is in you. I feel like कि I interpret this tree wisdom card as that. Now, with the find the balance between your work, rest, and playtime. You will have more energy, harmony, and productivity in your life. Take a power nap. So, this card is as it says. Balance karo life ko, productivity badhao, be happy, be good, be balanced. Okay. Now, let's get into the cards, extra messages from the Super Attractor Tarot deck. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'll take this one first. When I'm patient, I let the universe do for me what I cannot do for myself. Exactly. Just keep doing your work, you know, rely, सारी परेशानी अपनी आप को उसमें छोड़ दो, क्या बोलते हैं, you know, yeah, okay. These two cards were exactly like ये same दोनों cards पिछली reading के लिए भी आए थे for the pile 3. If you were attracted towards pile number 3, you could also watch it. Maybe आपके लिए कोई अच्छा message हो सकता है उस reading में भी. So yeah, anyways. Now when I'm grateful for what I have, I can feel good along the way to what I desire. So definitely, this card tells you ki to be happy, to be, fulfilled emotionally or whatever, because ये बीच में गिरा है, it aligns with the main energy that be grateful. Once you start doing that, you will become more happy. Okay, because apparently, see, मैंने pile 3 में भी यही example दिया था. If you want, you could watch pile number 3. Okay, so, and also with the universe is always conspiring to support me, guide me, and lead me compassionately towards the highest good. So whatever is happening, ups and downs and ups and downs, सबकी लाइफ में होते हैं, right? But know for a fact कि whatever is happening in your life is meant for the highest good. Okay, now that is it. And also the conclusion of this reading is कि with the two of cups, gratitude to show करना ही है. Stay connected to your emotional side because you're a very emotional person, and don't fall into that apathy trap with the four of cups. Okay, so that is your reading. Hopefully you resonated with your reading. अगर आपको ये reading अच्छी लगी हो, please put a like or subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next reading. Bye bye. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. अगर आपको टैरो रीडिंग पसंद आई हो, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, एंड इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन वन ऑन वन रीडिंग्स, DM me on my Instagram account, Sirius Taroica.